As the collection and use of data grows, so too does the threat of a cyber breach. Companies falling victim to breaches can face millions of pounds in fines, legal fees, and business interruptions. If you're an insurance company who underwrites corporate policies, you could be responsible for these cyber-related losses without even knowing it. If cyber coverage is not specifically excluded from your policies, there is potential for silent cyber exposure.
Insurance companies face increasing regulatory pressure from PRA, IOPA, and Lloyd's to accurately estimate non-affirmative cyber exposure. The PRA can even hold senior directors personally liable if they don't develop the necessary processes to limit their exposure.
Do you know how many of your policies don't contain a cyber exclusion clause? Do you have a way to identify and remedy these policies? How are you ensuring that future policies don't leave you exposed? The Exari platform offers a 3-step solution to help you identify and mitigate these risks. The first step is to analyse every one of your policies and identify those without the necessary cyber exclusions. Done manually, this process is resource heavy and error prone. With Exari, our data extraction and analysis capabilities will seamlessly scan every one of your market reform contracts and immediately identify those without the necessary exclusions. You now have a comprehensive list of high-risk policies, allowing you to seek endorsements to mitigate your exposure. The second step is to ensure that your renewals contain all necessary cyber exclusions. With renewals, dropped clauses and inconsistencies in a multi-layered program can be tough to spot. With Exari's clause-level comparison capabilities, your renewals will be matched against the expiring policies in seconds. Identifying any differences between the two, you can now rectify any errors before signing. The third step is to make sure that a cyber exclusion clause is included in every policy you draft moving forward. With Exari's interview-driven contract creation wizard, pre-approved templates ensure that every quote and policy drafted by your firm includes the necessary exclusion clauses. This helps eliminate the possibility of rogue policies and unintended risk. For insurance companies, the cost of silent cyber exposure can be ruinous. Protect yourself in 3 simple steps with Exari.